Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'll be talking about Minimalist ka salicylic acid ka review. This is the small bottle that I want to try because before buying the big bada sa bottle, I really wanted to try this small one. This is the salicylic acid 0.02%, which is I think good for like the beginners. So it claims that it clean pores and it reduce your blackheads and oil sebum production on your face. So let me tell you that how to use it first.
So I mostly focus on my T-zone area because my skin tend to get oily there only on T-zone areas, and remaining I'll apply all over my face. Don't forget to use sunscreen after that because it's very important to protect your skin from the UV rays.
I have been using frankly this and I have almost like finished this much. I think I'm left with this much product, so I have used it a lot, daily. I use daily. It says that don't use daily, but I use daily because I have like acne prone skin, so I usually get new acne every other day, so I have to use it every day. Now coming on to like what I like about this product, it actually cleans the pores and also help reduce the acne. It is good for like oily skin people, so it helps in like giving you that matte look also for a long time, and it also stop like sebum production on your face. One thing I like about this product is because it is cheaper, like it is cheaper than the other salicylic products of other brands. If you're a beginner, definitely go and use it. It doesn't break you out, it doesn't break me out. Any other product when I use it breaks me out, but this doesn't break me out. So guys, that was it for my video. I hope you guys like it. You can definitely purchase the smaller one and try it on your face first. I got it for like 224 rupees, so definitely you can give it a try before like purchasing the big one. I recommend. That was it for today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, please take care and subscribe, okay? Because I'll keep on coming with a lot of review videos and lot of best products I'm going to come up with in my new videos. So please subscribe. I'll be back again with a new video. Till then, please take care. Bye.